Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you all must be doing good. Recently, I uploaded a short video about getting One UI 7 Android 15 on Exynos model Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And I am getting messages and comments that I shall upload tutorial video of flashing One UI 7 ROM on this mobile phone. But this ROM is still under development. The link that I got is actually for to test the ROM and see what things are working and not working. Well, after flushing the ROM and checking it, I found yes, the ROM is not for daily use. We have to wait for stable release and we have to give time to the developer for porting it because porting is actually not an easy job and developers trying their best taking out time for doing that. Right now this ROM have issues and hopefully will be fixed soon. So SIM card can be detected and network signals are coming and the VOLTE can be seen on status bar too. But after making a calls, we cannot hear voice. Means like I cannot hear the other party voice and same like vice versa. Same way, ringtones cannot be heard too, which means that the Bluetooth audio not working, the speaker output not working, the earpiece output not working, like the sound is totally broken and it has to be fixed. The brightness and auto brightness is working and always on display also working. I tried to register finger on display which got registered also, but there is a delay after pressing the power key or double tapping the screen for unlocking it, like using the fingerprint scanner, which has to be fixed. But double tap or pressing power key without registering fingerprint working fine, like there is no delay. Wi-Fi is working fine and I register my both accounts, Samsung account, Google account, which is done. The Play Store working fine and the applications can be downloaded straight away, but device is not certified. MTP not working, like storage cannot be seen on computer after connecting mobile phone with the computer. I inserted micro SD card in my mobile phone, but ROM keep informing that the SD card need to be fixed, so format it. I have done formatting it, but still notification coming to format it and the SD card storage cannot be seen in file manager. Same way, OTG also not working. Well, the S Pen can be used for tapping or scrolling and for selecting, but the actual job of S Pen right now not working, which has to be fixed. And the camera is totally broken, which has to be fixed. I install the third-party camera application also, but yes, it is not working. So all I can say that have some patience and to wait for the stable and fixed release. All I can say that this is a happy moment that finally One UI 7 ported ROM is under development for Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So wait for it and do not ask for it on any platform. Once it is done, developer will release it. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with my channel by subscribing it.